Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Eddie with DIY Basics. I wanted to go over how to change the bit on a trim router. I know you can take the housing off and make it a lot easier, but a real quick way to do it is to go ahead and raise it so that you can see your nut, and you also expose your locking button. Once you've exposed your locking button, you simply put the wrench on it, push the button down, and you just push on it, you release the button, and you can ride the wrench back, push the button again, and you can go ahead and crank it again, almost as if you're using a ratchet. If you wanted to loosen it, you do the same thing. You go all the way to the end, you push the button until it locks, you pull, and you loosen. If you needed more, you would simply release the button, go back, push the button, and come back the opposite direction, right? And now it's loose. Go back, push the button, and come back. Once it's loose, you simply turn it with your hand. I know a lot of times the old way of doing it was you would turn the nut with your hand while pushing the button. Then you'd have to line it up for your wrench, push the button, go forward. If you bottomed out, you'd have to then take the wrench off, back up the button, back up the nut again, reinsert the wrench, hit the lock button, and try to get more on it. Instead of just keeping the wrench on the nut, and by releasing the lock button, you can basically move all the way into the other direction, lock the button and turn, or come in this direction, lock the button and turn. So it makes it a lot easier and a lot quicker. I hope that this helps someone and makes it changing these bits out a little easier. Till the next one. Thanks.